Second, assembling and disassembling the caster and adjust. 1. Caster. Disassembly. Replace by unfastening the fixing bolt attached to the bottom of the product and separating the caster. Assembly. Tighten the bolt with the caster aligned with the reinforcement hole on the bottom of the product. Two. Adjust. Disassembly. Turn the adjust until is removed in the left side direction. Assembly. Turn the adjust until it is no longer turned in the right side direction.